Hi, I'm Rono Jacob. I head product management for Druva's CloudRanger product line. We're here today to talk more about our disaster recovery solution for AWS environments. In general, any environment that you have is not immune to issues that could go wrong. And that's the number one reason why you need to have a disaster recovery readiness. As an example, user errors can happen. Accidental deletions, configuration updates that mess up things. Any of these changes could potentially bring down your environment unknowingly. What Druva CloudRanger does for you is, starting with simplicity, the ability to create and automate a lot of these functions for your disaster recovery parts, like the ability to clone an environment. It offers cost-effective options where you can simplify your test settings. We have no infrastructure that we require for DR. Then when we look at it from the security perspective, we use an IAM role-based approach to make it much simpler from a security standpoint. But where the real advantage lies is in the fact that we're a SaaS-based solution. So there is no maintenance, there are no upgrades, there's nothing that needs to be done. You can get an up and running CloudRanger in less than 30 minutes by simply going to the CloudRanger site.
I'm Julie Catellier, Senior Cloud Engineer from Vanderbilt University, and I've been using CloudRanger for about 2 to 3 years now. We started our cloud journey in 2015 with a brokered cloud service. In 2016, we established a cloud-first strategy. 2017, we'd been training long enough and working long enough with AWS that we finally formed our centrally managed service and got away from the brokered cloud services. In 2019, right now, we're adding approximately 2 new accounts monthly to our AWS organization. The experience with CloudRanger has been incredible. It took us on backup administration from 20 hours a month down to 1 hour a month. The file level recovery, I'm just a big fan of that. One thing about CloudRanger, it is very intuitive to configure and to run. The customer service is outstanding, it's incredible. The software is future-proof. Single sign-on integration. I just love the software. At Vanderbilt, we are concentrating on YAML CloudFormation templates to provision our servers, networks, and stacks. We have 60 AWS accounts and only a few people to manage these accounts. We are encouraging users to use their AWS accounts to the fullest and provision whatever resources they need. We offer general backup and restore capabilities. We also offer our users the ability to log into their accounts and manage their backups and restore their files themselves if they want to.
I think it's an amazing experience to be here at re:Invent and see all the developments that are happening. Just seeing all the announcements, getting to see what's happening with different updates across AWS itself, it's a very exciting part to be a part of it.
It's absolutely incredible. I think it was said there were 65,000 people here this year, and it's just an educational experience. It's just been incredible.